Welcome back, everyone. Glad to have you here for another deep dive with us. And, last time we were together, I sort of teased that we'd be talking all about Claude AI.
Yeah.
This pretty interesting chatbot that's been making a lot of noise lately. And, well, here we are, ready to jump in and go beyond the hype.
Let's do it.
And really understand what makes this thing tick.
Absolutely.
So maybe let's start with the basics.
Okay.
Like, what's going on under the hood? How does Claude actually work its magic? I know there's all this talk about transformers, and I'm not talking about Optimus Prime here.
Right. No, nothing like that.
So can you break that down for us?
Yeah, so transformers in this context are a type of AI architecture that's really at the forefront of a lot of these advancements, and they're particularly good at handling language.
Okay.
So imagine a system that can sort of process information like, I don't know, 1 million books simultaneously, right? And connect all these seemingly random facts and ideas and form this coherent understanding. That's sort of the power of a transformer.
So it's not just mimicking human language. It's actually
Exactly.
understanding the meaning behind it.
It's going beyond just mimicking. It's actually trying to represent the information and understand the relationships between the concepts.
Wow. Okay. That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
But one thing I keep hearing about Claude is that it's supposed to be safer than other AI out there. What's the deal with that? I mean, how do they make an AI safe?
Yeah, that's a really important question because a lot of these AI models, they're trained on just massive amounts of data, right? And sometimes they pick up unsavory or unsafe patterns from that data. But Anthropic, the company behind Claude, they've approached this differently with something they call constitutional AI.
Constitutional AI?
Yeah, it's imagine you're writing a constitution for a country, right?
Yeah.
You're laying down these fundamental principles and guidelines.
Right.
Well, they've done something similar with Claude. They've embedded a set of core principles, things like fairness, accuracy, and safety directly into Claude's code.
So it's like these principles are baked in from the start.
Exactly. They're not an afterthought. They're like guardrails, guiding Claude's responses.
I see.
Steering it away from generating harmful content.
Okay, that's fascinating. So we've talked about how it works, how it's designed to be safe. But how does it actually learn anything in the first place? Like, what kind of education does Claude get?
Well, it's like sending it to the ultimate knowledge buffet.
Okay.
We're talking massive amounts of text from the internet, scientific papers, even specialized content.
Okay.
They've really fed this thing a diverse diet of information.
And that makes it more adaptable.
Yeah, much more adaptable. So, need a legal document summarized? Claude can do that. Want to delve into some cutting-edge medical research? Claude can assist with that, too.
So all this talk about safety and all the training, how does that actually translate into a better experience for someone who's using Claude? What are the benefits?
You get consistency and reliability, which is huge.
Okay.
Because of those built-in constraints, Claude's less likely to just make stuff up or go off on tangents or give you unpredictable answers.
Gotcha.
You can ask it to, let's say, summarize a complex legal document, and it will actually stick to the key points and not inject its own opinions or interpretations.
That's pretty important.
Yeah. Imagine you need to quickly understand a dense contract.
Oh, yeah.
Claude could save you hours of time and the potential legal headaches.
Okay, that sounds incredibly useful.
Right.
But I have to ask, is Claude completely foolproof?
Well, to be honest, no AI is perfect.
Right.
Claude, like other AI models, can still have its issues.
Okay.
It might hallucinate information.
Hallucinate?
Yeah, it might present something as fact when it's actually made up.
Oh, I see.
Or it might be working with slightly outdated knowledge. But here's what's interesting.
Okay.
Anthropic is constantly updating and refining Claude based on user feedback and all the research they're doing.
This is like a work in progress.
Yeah, it's like a living learning system that's always evolving and getting better.
Okay, so what does all of this mean for someone who's maybe a little intimidated by AI? Should they be excited about Claude?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think Claude really offers this glimpse into a future where AI is both powerful and responsible.
Well, we want, right?
Exactly. It shows us that we can create AI systems that are not only incredibly smart, but also aligned with our values.
Right.
And that's pretty exciting, I think.
Yeah, I agree. So to wrap things up, Claude's this AI chatbot that utilizes a really powerful architecture. It's trained on this massive data set, and it has these unique safety features built in.
Right.
And importantly, it's not just static.
Yeah.
It's constantly evolving. It's always improving. And I think that highlights a future where AI can be both capable and trustworthy. It's a powerful tool for anyone who's just curious about the world, wants to learn new things, or even get things done more efficiently.
Absolutely.
But it also, reminds us that we need to be thoughtful about how we develop and use AI as it becomes more and more a part of our lives.
Couldn't agree more.
Awesome. Well, that's our deep dive on Claude.
That was fun.
Yeah, absolutely. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our future deep dives. We got some really cool stuff planned.
Always something new.
So stay curious, and we'll see you next time.
See you then.